Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever, we've got this panel, thanks to which we can enable voice assistant, answer to calls, navigate through speedometer menu, and check the compass by pressing this button. Then we've got this panel on the right side, thanks to which we can enable cruise control and manage it. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.